friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a table of content in Google Docs. So this is very easy to do, and the option is available to you so that you can start customizing and creating what you want. So I'm going to open up a blank document here, guys. And once you're inside Google Docs on your document, in order to create a table of content, all you need to do is simply go up to the option that says insert, and if you look towards the bottom, you have the option that says table of content. And you have three options here. You have the link option, you have the dotted option, and you have the plain text option. So if you want to create a link option, simple means that if you want to write something in the table of content and then people can click on that area of the table of content and then it will take them to that specific page, then you use the link option, right? And if you want to do the dotted option, is simple as dotted option, or you want to use the plain text option. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the plain text option, and you can just simply go ahead and just fill in the text into these section, and then you can always click add heading and so forth. You can option here and you can go into more options and so forth and add whatever you want. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z there and just remove it and go back to insert table of content. You have the dotted options which look like this, so you can write whatever you want, and it basically gives you instruction how it looks. You have the add heading format, and then you have the paragraph style, and then you can write whatever you want there as well. Now let me press Ctrl Z on my keyboard again, and the other option is basically to use to do the link format. So you can do the link format and you will just need to write whatever you want. So the more you do it, you can see here, you can have subtabs, you can duplicate it, and you also can do emoji, you can copy the link and so forth. So you can easily use these. So let's say you fill this to whatever you want and you do want to create another option from it, you can simply do duplicate and it will have another one. So you can simply fill these information out as well. So that's how you can easily go ahead and find this option, guys, to create your table of content. So you just need to fill it. There are other ways how to actually get table of content. If you also head over to google.com and you type in free table of content, you'll find lots of websites here that you can find free templates. You can head over to, for example, template.net. If you click this option here, you have 44 free table of content templates. You can simply come here and you can easily go ahead and download some of those free templates. Take for example this one here. I've downloaded this one. All I did was simply click download and it take me over and it tells me that this template is free. So I simply click download the free template. The trick is you have to look for the ones that are actually free. So for example, when you click on the templates, you can see right here is free and it says free to download. All you have to do is click download the Google Docs. It will ask you to sign into an account, so you need to have a Gmail account, because once you click download, it will download into your Google Docs. I already did that. So you see, if I click download, it's going to give me this option here that says copy document or make a copy. So if you click this option, it's going to download right into your Google Docs, and I already have that. So I'm going to show you the same exact one that I've downloaded. Once I click make the copy, let me go back to my Google Docs homepage here, and if you look here, you can see that I have this same exact table of content that says copy of template. So once you do that, you can open up that table of content as you wish. And of course, it has some copyright option here. You can always go ahead and you can copy and remove this thing from the document because you don't want to have that, right? So you can use the free ones and you can simply remove that. If you want to make another page from that, you can always go ahead and you can duplicate the page and so forth. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to create table of content in Google Docs, how to insert table of content in Google Docs as well. So I'll show you how you can create one from scratch for yourself, and also show you with your website how you can insert table of content into Google Docs. So very easy and very simple, guys.